and Erica first.
What do you mean?
Everyone does it at once.
Oh, everyone does it at once? How are we gonna...
Everyone takes one at a
Wait,
time.
You take one, you put it in your mouth, and you take Fluffy Bunny. But you can't eat it.
One Fluffy Bunny.
Ready? Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny.
Oh,
Nikki puts 4.
Fluffy Bunny.
Okay, maybe we gotta close those blinds.
Fluffy Bunny? These are big.
I love.
Don't eat it.
Oh!
Here, this might make it easier.
It was
Just take a
very
handful.
soggy.
Yeah.
Nick, close those blinds behind you.
Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny.
What do you need?
Say it.
Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny.
Because I'm used to this.
Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny. Fluffy Bunny.
Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it.
You gotta say it.
Say it. Go.
Fluffy Bunny.
Nikki?
Say it. Mm.
Fluffy Bunny.
Okay. What do you say?
1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, Dee.
Come on, I know you got room for more in there.
Watch door behind you.
She did date a black guy.
Hey,
That's gross.
what do you say? No, not that.
I took mine out.
You threw yours out? Here, you need some help with that?
Aaliyah, say Fluffy Bunny too. Say Fluffy Bunny, baby.
Say fluffy bunny. Say fluffy bunny.
See, I just with the camera.
Dude, move your ass. I don't want to record your arse.
Oh.
Say
Okay.
Fluffy Bunny.
Are we all done now?
Yeah.
Who won?
I did.
Erica.
I won!
Or Katie.
Okay, here.